Hello, my name is Ed Shin. I'm president of Crossroads Insurance Recovery. We are a licensed and bonded public insurance company. Topics we'd like to talk about today, and that is how the insurance industry is attempting to transfer over to automation. They're trying to remove the human element in reality of having adjusters assigned to your claim. That's not going to happen anymore. They're trying to save money to again increase profits so that there will not be a physical being that you'll be able to talk to. Everything is done through automation of what they call predictive analytics. And what that means is they have had so many claims over all the years that all this data has been put into their computer systems that they understand what an average would be for a typical, let's call it a fire. You own a structure that's 2,500 square feet. It's made out of this particular material. It burned for this particular amount of time. The average claim in that vicinity under those circumstances would be X amount of dollars. Now, let's say you're the one who sustains that damage. And all of a sudden you receive a computer printout from the insurance company stating, this is what we're going to offer you as a check. I have some questions about that. They've never even come to inspect the property. That's number one. Number two, they don't know if your property was either A, B, or C condition, meaning was it brand new? Was it meticulously taken care of? Did you have high dollar items there? Did you just do any type of renovation at all? None of this is going to be asked. Is it a daily use? Everybody's house, everything you go through every single day, all houses are about the same in that regard, let's say. Or was yours the largest or the smallest in the neighborhood? What if yours was really pretty well neglected and it wasn't at the top of the list? So they're just going to spit out a median cost to do the repairs. I don't really think it does. They've pretty much removed the human element. They're going to allow things to be done through a computer program, and then who do you disagree with? Say they send you a number that is far less than what the contractors that come out to bid on it for the repairs is far less than what they need to go ahead and put it back together. You have no human to interact with. You're dealing with the corporate office of your insurance carrier instead of your local office. An agent, of course, can only sell you a product. They can't even be involved in the claim adjustment process. They may attempt to help you, but there are so many people above the line at the insurance underwriting office that approve or disapprove claims. You'll have no human interaction anymore. A couple examples of that. This was kind of intriguing. Insurers must train humans that remain. The industry itself in 2020, which is right around the corner, predicts that about 75% of their personnel will be retiring. Just about everyone that's been in this industry, insurance industry, for many, many years is at retirement age. The problem the insurance carriers are having is fulfilling the jobs that the older personnel are moving out of. Millennials, Gen Xers, whatever you want to term them, don't find this as a quote sexy job in their mind. They think that is something that's boring. They don't want to deal with insurance in any way. So the carriers are not able to fulfill those positions. Well, turning to automation seems to be the answer for them. Again, they'll take the information, spit it into their computer, allow it to spit out a claim resolution for you, an amount. A couple other articles on that. Taking a digital approach to claims processing, looking at the insurance world through digital transformation glasses. 6 reasons digital transformation is the future of insurance. Again, they're looking at ways of how can they streamline claims process, hopefully make it a little quicker, but again, how can it be more profitable for them? So you think if you remove the human aspect of having an adjuster out there, having to do all communication between the insured and the adjuster, if you come to a disagreement, What are you going to do? They, from the carrier's perspective, have lesser liabilities in that they don't have adjusters that have to drive from position A to position B to look at a loss. And should they get injured on the way or the way back, they don't have to worry about that anymore. What if they're out on the loss site themselves and get injured, fall through the roof, stepped on a nail? They're removing all that. So that lessens their liability, it lessens their cost, and it increases their profits. If you watch TV, when was the last time you watched a show that you did not see an insurance commercial? I don't know of any. And the reason for that is the insurance industry has a budget for marketing of $880 million a year. Think about that for a second. They have to cover that cost and still make money. So that'll give you an idea of where they are, how they're looking at streamlining, removing human contact, and still being able to make a major profit. The automation aspect, as far as we see it, is only going to create issues. It's going to hurt the consumer. And as consumer advocates, we're here to help you. We're here to streamline this process for you. You have any questions, concern about this? Please feel free to give us a call. You can contact us at 1-877-436-2112. Thank you.